Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the calculator or app can convert numbers to words, and you enter the number now. Type the exact value, for example 12,345, 3, 50, or 0. 125, because precision matters for cents and decimals. Once done, make sure to select the correct language or regional setting so formatting and currency words match your expectations. If there is a mode or function key labeled spell or text, press it. That initial action triggers the conversion engine immediately. Next, you adjust formatting options before running the conversion so the output reads correctly. Choose whether to include the word "and" for currency, hyphens for 21, or to spell decimals as 0.5 versus 1/2. Then use the dedicated function, labeled spell, text, say, or convert, and run it. Listen or read the preview to verify cents, fractions, and ordinal forms are correct, because these details affect legal forms and spoken output in documents or recordings. To finish, copy or export the word output to your clipboard or save it as needed, and then paste into your document. If the result is wrong, recheck the original number format, locale, and the function settings, because commas or unexpected symbols can break parsing. If you still have trouble, remove commas and leading zeros and try an integer-only test like 12,345 to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip. If conversion fails, switch locale or toggle hyphen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.